Good morning, country people. This na TMC Radio, your number one Ogbonge radio station for Benin City. This morning, we don't turn out top newspaper tori. My name na Taiwo Ayeni, and I dey studio with my Ogbonge sport editor, Nat Precious, and my oga dey here too, will be our chief editor, Mr. Nusa Ege. Intanda here this morning too. We go together the chook mouth for the tori wey dey our newspaper. This na TMC Radio. No forget, say you go fit follow us for Facebook, for TMC TV, for YouTube, for TMC TV, for Instagram, for TMC._TV. You fit still carry waka make you go hear us live for Radio Garden for TMC Radio. No forget, say you go see Ogbonge tori too for our website for www.tillifemedia.com. This na newspaper tori, and we don't turn that here this morning. Make una greet country people. Mr. Precious, make I start with you.
Country people for us, and a good morning. Mona just sit down with us as we do the newspaper. They go small.
I say make I salute now because it should be one more than my name. I say make I begin to introduce myself proper. My name still remain Ere. No sir.
My God, don't correct me. Say name na Ehe.
Ere, not Eke. Don't murder my name. I know why you dey think like this. Where dear die yesterday? We supposed give her 1 minute, but it go too big for radio station. But we just give her 2 seconds silence.
As we say today na Monday, and our people need go make money.
Yes.
We could give her 1 second.
You feel end down now, yeah?
Oyibo people go say, may the soul of the departed rest in peace.
Amen.
Amen.
Start up newspaper tori this morning. We don't carry waka. Enter news direct. Presidential election failure. PDP in turmoil as party suspend Ayu. Alleged chairman worked for APC against success of PDP during the general elections. Says he fails to pay his annual subscription fee. That one they come from News Direct. Say PDP don't suspend their national chairman. As CBN say, they say he work against PDP during the presidential and the general election for the country. The constitution say he no they pay in annual subscription fee. Oshun Huriwa, PDP can't bully Oyetola to silence. They say PDP no go fit intimidate Oyetola, make him keep quiet. That one they come as a result of the judgment where appeal courts give. Probe Adebutu, Ogun PDP's electoral infractions. Group takes security tax agencies. 2022 Gubapu, we are seeking further redress at Supreme Court. APC legal advisor. They say they carry the matter. That one say they come from Osho State. They say they carry the matter go Supreme Court. As it be say the judgment where appeal court give no to sweet APC for Bele. Ebenezer Oyago received doctorate degree in business administration from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Rule of law, national anti-corruption confident asks Buhari to protect his legacy. Let Bawa go. That one now, our newspaper tori, our newspaper headline where they come from. News Direct. When Mr. Precious carry us, where they carry us enter.
Mo just look this day newspaper. Nigeria grieve as General Otipo Dia passed at 78. This one are the matter of the man when he died won't give a minute silence just now. PDP. Benue PDP suspend national chairman Ayu for anti-party activities. Say Benue PDP does suspend their national chairman Ayu for anti-party. They put hand for this party, they put hand for that party. Brace for 750 liter, 750 naira per liter for petrols when they don't remove subsidy. Now that they talk, say make we ready, make we arrange ourselves for petrol 750 for 1 liter. I think before we push go forward more, I think me Oganosa just help us explain this one. We say we ready ourselves for
make we carry our coats, make we wear them.
And if they don't remove subsidy,
so they buy fuel for 750 naira per liter.
The testosterone which they hear now.
Okay, now
if Nigerians don't say they don't testosterone, me buy fuel for 800 naira per liter during that fuel crisis before election. So when we don't begin experience them, may they not threaten us with make we ready. We don't ready practice them. We don't ready. We want test them before they begin the talk about make we ready. We don't ready with them. Because if we fit buy fuel 750, 700, 800 naira, now they want to tell us make we ready. We would not buy finish. So
for the future.
how? You are not getting it. No. If they say make we ready for the future, the one with the parties they come before we go.
Now the pre-future. now with the parties they come, the pre-future.
It be like they understand what your guy they talk.
Okay, me not they ready.
No. See, they say make we brace ourselves.
Then they use English for you. You they happy put. They say make we ready for removal of subsidy. And now they never remove her without the party 750, 700.
No. The highest one I don't see what they said now. Now 260 now.
How about before election?
I said before we will reach to
I buy 620. I know 660.
During that time, when
No.
Naira they bite well.
If I throw a parable, all of them I will begin laugh again. Because where you they spend money before and they spend today, make you remember say the price of yesterday and today not be the same.
Yes.
And the price of tomorrow you never see them. So they tell you now say once they remove the subsidy, una go hit 7 or 750. Abi? Me they tell you now say we don't they practice 700, 800 they come before the thing after election don't they go down small now. So when they say make we ready for, we don't feel ready before.
But if we follow the way it go be like this now, as they're talking for the newspaper now, say if they remove the subsidy, it go be 750. That one go be official.
Now you they speak the English, so they enter my ear.
That one go be official NLPC.
Now you they speak so that may they not deceive us again.
So we simply means we fit buy reach 850 because currently now NLPC they sell fuel. I think 180 something. There is mega NLPC.
Mega station.
Yes. While other private stations they sell 240, 250, 260.
Yes.
Which if you go school where you do the mathematics different, you see a difference of 80 to 100 naira. So we simply means if they say they go sell 750. Oiboma say para market, NLPC market. Which simply means if private marketers will come say 850, now you they try talk now.
Last we go they buy for 1.
You see what they talk so you they dance up and down. The truth.
We'll come buy 1 liter of fuel.
Make you wait. I give you time now. Now this fuel matter. Now you want me to discuss today. I will take finish this program.
No more just put small.
I be want dodge them. I want avoid them. You don't want make I rest.
We go
Now listen, I they come. I go tell you something. If they remove subsidy, now English, I go tell you now say sell at you take buy. Now be the regulation. Abi?
Yes.
Good. Now, if I dey drive, I see 250, I see 200, I go enter where 200 day.
Yes.
Now government dey tell us say make una ready for tomorrow. We don dey practice and they come. I dey drive, they go for one road yesterday for upper mission. I pass rain oil. Now there I dey buy. As I pass them, I say before I return back, the feed don't close. I enter one other Raptor. I come buy fuel for 250. As I dey drive, they go for front. Me and one of my friend, I come stop for her with the talk. He say just buy fuel for rain oil. He tell me the price. It did lower down. Now that one they make you understand. Say if this one dear, the other one cheap. Enter the one way cheap make you buy. Now the regulation where they go. The subsidy whether they talk about, we don't see the pepper. As at February, January, ending February, the pepper enter our eyes. I buy 3 jerrycans at 62,000 naira for this Benin. So you see, and I say we don't be ready for subsidy removal. And I remember say one presidential candidate use a campaign say if he enter as president, he go remove.
No need to they hide the presidential candidate. Now he talk so you go call his name so that the people go know.
Help me call him.
No. Now you they bring the point.
election don't finish. You feel
Yes,
calling
you
it.
fit call him because
Nobody
now he talk am.
I say
they campaign for him.
No, listen. I say one presidential candidate.
Who be the presidential candidate? Because he don't know.
maybe no win again. So subsidy matter.
If I leave this my two oga make dem dey talk on top this matter, we no go comot for here. We go still touchlight the matter later, but make we enter guidance, make we see wetin guidance get for us. Say NLC reconsider strike as CBN open vaults to bank. Una go remember say NLC, that's Nigerian Labour Congress, and say everything, all of them, they go house, go sleep. They go sleep. Where if CBN and federal government no do anything on top this naira and fuel matter, because it say CBN then don't begin they do what they call 440, they don't begin run 440 up and down. Even they make sure say bank open on Sunday so that people go get their money. The NLC now come dey talk say okay, be like say we go hold on small for this our strike. That one dey for Guardian newspaper. UNN confers doctorate on Senate Bank CEO Onyagu. UNN, that's University of Nigeria for Nsukka, don give doctorate degree to Senate Bank CEO. CBN now lending rates to raise construction material cost. Edo gets tentative approval for airport in Auchi. E be like say we go chook mouth small for this matter. Oga, na small sir, na you go help us take chook mouth as e be say na matter wey concern us for Edo State.
No. Wait, before we chook mouth for that matter, mo just chook for like a minute. Mo just chook mouth for this NSC. Now they wake up for this money matter. Now NSC wake up. After some people don't die finish, when some people naked for bank.
I believe say dem wait make it be safe. They don't, other agencies don't try their best. You know say NSC, once they go strike like this, no be only us it go affect. Now everybody. So they said that they consider the populace.
No be NSC.
They consider Naija people in the sense that, see, if them go strike, you say naira no dey, you say fuel no dey, you no come still get light, you no get water. How you want make people they live?
No be NSC threat make CBN release money.
Tell me wetin make them release.
CBN release money because the pressure don't too much on them. No be NSC.
But NSC they part of the pressure now.
When NSC hold strike, do strike when he hold water. When last.
And now because say no be every part of the country now get federal government and state government.
If you go allow me chook mouth for this matter, make we take them one by one. You say no be NSC, come make CBN
release money,
bring out money. Like I tell you one thing. I know they defend NSC, but I believe say the present government for NSC today that they follow due process, led by Ajero. They wait for court, make the matter come up for court. But you go still remember say the same NLC now he come out endorse Peter Obi for president.
No, they say that a fraction.
I dey come. No, NLC na NLC.
No,
if anything, listen. If admin and program get quarrel and they make statement for TMC. Now TMC make the statement. Oh.
Yes.
Good. I don't know about faction. Just listen to me. The same NLC endorsed presidential candidate. Ajero, the national president, use him mouth talk and say every unit which is state where NLC dey mandate everybody to go vote for Peter Obi. He not talk about CBN bring money because the purpose of CBN for before election, they say they not actualize and they kept quiet. By the time Peter Obi don't for Yakata, he don't lose. Now there Ajero and NLC can wake up. Say this money matter make we talk about.
No, he never lose finish.
Matter still dey court.
The matter dey court.
No, listen now. Listen. See, let's be mature. The day the court result declare one person, the other person don't fail. Post-election or pre-election and election proper are three different names. So the post-election now night and day. That one not go hold them, make them not swear in the person who went May 29. So what are we talking about? He failed. They call distance third, now he go come out. So if distance third, they take one person, the first one they go court. The second one they take the first one they go court. The two of them they take person go court. Now we say the two don't already lose.
But you know me say something they wrong with the election.
I wait before he.
I don't want to go to election. Listen, I didn't talk about no. Listen,
based on what you talk.
Yes,
I want to give you.
Maybe we not deviate.
We not deviate.
Yes.
Now for the listener, more get a good picture. Now from this country we dey, where somebody will carry no be tell that be fought for election. They swear in, and I still governor.
You are not still getting it. Listen, at present, as we sit down here, so they don't declare one person winner. Let's leave it at that. If we did discuss post-election, we'll not say that won't be the topic of today. I dey tell you now, say Ajero NLC no make noise before presidential election. The only noise wey they make, go and vote for Peter Obi. Now they don't finish all their arsenals. Election don't pass. Now they come out, say they give them from last week Wednesday to this week Wednesday. If they not pump out money, they go strike. And you see, since where they talk money where they talk say they born. I see them for market yesterday.
Money come begin, they come out.
No,
No, listen, I just make I educate everybody on this aspect. That NLC, you say, no be them, make the money come out. And they tell you now, say the threat is shake CBN. It shake they reach their vote where the money dey. The vote they shake.
It can't open.
It can't open. Yesterday, Sunday, CBN say me they work. Saturday, CBN say me they work. I call my account officer.
And they work.
I call my account officer and say, una they work? He say yes, now only for cash. Not before other official whatever. So I dey make you understand and say NLC they do well this time around for shaking CBN, remove the because Supreme Court don't fail us. Because CBN and Buhari don't make sure say Supreme Court no dey exist. If it dey exist, the day they take judgment at that day, that was supposed to fear the person the NLC. So if the NLC court pass Supreme Court now, we thank God, we give a kudos for this one. They not fail us.
Now don't hear as my oga dem don chook mouth for the matter as it concern NLC strike and CBN wey make them the run kitty katakata. We don from there, we don carry matter enter Daily Sun. Mr. Precious, make you help us read wetin Daily Sun they tell us for their headline.
From the Daily Sun, UK placed 10 Nigerians on visa watch list over ethics profiling. Say UK don't carry 10 names for Nigeria people. They don't put them for their visa. Say una get the way una take they do. So
we go touch lights na matter where before we go allow una come our country.
Say CBN set up efforts to end naira scarcity. Bank to increase dispensing of notes. Say CBN don't increase money where they give. I hear somebody will say withdraw for counter, he withdraw 50,000. And mostly before this week or next week, the matter go end. Address pain of Igbo or Shu Monarch or Tunobu. He say make it as soon as they swear in May 29. As they do the work, they go make it address with the verse the Igbo people. So when they say on Monday, now sit at home. Election violence. Investigate governor, deputies, or face legal action. Serap tell INEC. Serap don't tell INEC. Say me they investigate governors and deputies when they do wayo for election. Census. FG assured Nigeria of credible, acceptable exercise. You know, say census board they don't declare say na May 3rd now the census go start. Fake. Buhari, Obasanjo, Jonathan, Tunubu, Kalu, Governor, mourn Dia. You say the Dia when he died, they don't finally mourn. Now there we go match break for the paper when we just take so.
Don't enter Tribune newspaper. Dia dies at 78. Buhari, Obasanjo, Jonathan, Tinubu, Abiodun, others mourn. How he sponsored family members' education since father died for 40 years ago. Brother, his life and time. That one day for page 26, 27, and 30 for Tribune newspaper. Guba Pools, Kogi Groups backs Ajaka fought rumored suspension. Oyo speaker loses mom. PDP Benue war suspends Ayu. Afenifere taku Iwuanyawu says Yorubas are not political rascal. Make I call my oga, make he help me put more for this Igbo and Yoruba matter. Wey be say the thing don't degenerate, it don't be like say it don't they become true. Since especially since that Lagos State governorship election, where be say they say some kind group of people threaten the Igbos. Where be say make them no come out.
Say, if you know say you know they vote for this person,
party,
this person. No, you know say some party say they know they vote party. Say na some people say na candidate and a party that they vote instead of candidate. So we just want to make your post put light touch inside the matter. Now you know say the matter don't they cause serious issues now.
What? And you go in Mona, don't forget say get some persons where be say they beats where yes. where English go say they harass them for pulling units. And they get one of my friends where even they look or say they tell me say if they see say you don't even your skin don't they first small like this, they don't assume say they come from the other part of the country. So you know they save during that election. So make you help us chook more for the matter.
Well, Yoruba and Igbo, I believe say their relationship don't do well since. Whenever I hear any katakata between them. Now just recently, this last election, and one particular state, now that it degenerate a bit.
Yes, one particular state.
Which is Lagos. Waiting. I not too much get waiting at the talk for tribal matter because the rate where people take play tribal and ethnic matter for this election is too high. And if the incoming president and government not address the issue quick, the thing will turn a big wahala. So now waiting, I believe, say our leaders and elders for this country, may they quick come together, may they address this matter. Not be waiting I too sabi. I know Afenifere and the Igbos. I know to know what their fight. You know, say anything war, I know they put my mouth. Because Benin Poso Kwemo say war not define.
You know the bomb better pick.
So I know the two put mouth, but they always want whereby this country get peace since. The peace make we continue, make we believe say the truth, the relationship make it day well. That be my concern. So I not to get talk about Yoruba and Igbo because Yoruba people from my office here, Igbo people they my office here. The two people who sit down here, so maybe one are Igbo, maybe one are Yoruba. But I believe say if they not get good relationship, they not go sit down together.
Thank you, sir. Protect your legacy. Let's Bawa go. National Anti-Corruption Congress. NACC tells Buhari. That one the EFCC chamo. And they tell Buhari say make it they go. Make it give him a letter. Say the one way you do for the country don't do. My God, they smile be like this matter. You get how make we allow and talk.
He get personal issue for this matter.
The Bawa matter. Na young boy. the way they take introduce her come, me feel no say na so it matter.
Na youth.
You see why majority of our youth today they go they fail us. I make a way they say not too young to run. Not just slangs. If you check the rate of our youth, the way that they misbehave, to give the opportunity to serve, it go they hard elders. Because I get believe say they say leaders are ladders. Abi?
Yeah.
We use them to climb. If I want matter don't they be like this because since they say me DSS arrest her, the other day they carry and go court. They say no court they supposed appear. Then later they say get
court can say may they go lock her.
May they go lock her. The young boy. Make Buhari first solution to his exit. Make it go. May they bring Sanusi no first. Who fed there before?
Now this
Nuru Ribado.
Then this man when he come out now this
Nuru Ribado they more use Nuru Ribado because the rest me don't know what they do since. The time when Nuru Ribado
then just they come.
all those names.
Mago did there last.
Mago they don't carry and go court. They don't see carry and go court.
They can't go.
They say person wey say make pursue people who do corruption. They drag corruption for nobody.
But they don't increase the rank now. You know see he rank.
That na by
rank.
Police.
No be rank. Now work where they give you now you do.
The work. They say come up for police first. Come go serve. And you know say police matter.
No go there. We did the punch now.
Nigeria country.
Most waiting the punch get to talk. No, you know say this story. I don't say don't scratch organ assassins, but now we'll keep for the last.
Which
so
of them?
We'll touch like that later.
So we don't want to talk now. PDP vow probe has been with suspend Ayu. We'll keep her. Say PDP don't vow say they must suspend Ayu. Even he has. They say when your hands they chase you. Now problem you did. We'll leave that one first. UK to sanction Nigeria evoke child. Fani Kayode. This Organosa guy, you know, say na Organosa guy. FFK, na Organosa guy, na Eric guy. Political rascality. Afeni Ferry knock. Iwunyawu demand.
And at the same people are Yoruba matter.
Yes, na the same.
Afeni Ferry Yoruba. Iwunyawu Igbo.
Ona easy, abi
Ohaneze. Make I tell you one thing. Now Balogun people now they pity you. Because make the logo put train station for Balogun. Alaba they make the logo put a recreation center for Alaba. So make that take easy.
No. That one no be no. Now some states go feed one.
No, make them.
No. Lagos no feed one.
No,
he get state when I know say.
I say make them come together.
No, where you dey go? Lagos no go do one.
Yeah, TPD for.
For Rivers State.
Go those side.
Make I tell you.
Focus on this.
Make I tell you. The power where they for serving governor, it too high.
It's too high.
after God not them.
Why that one no go fit work? They say even that alaba wey you dey talk. If you checkmate am, no be only that particular people dey there. Na join body of different people from this country. Now no make am go.
You never still understand me. They won't build lock-up stores for that place.
They go look for another.
I vote 3 billion naira to fight electoral cases.
Yeah,
another money
for INEC.
When we say the one wey we spend for election, we never recover.
I will use God Peguna. Make we skip this INEC matter, because if we talk INEC matter here today, we will not come on here.
Okay.
So we will leave there.
Last month, arrest fake official making 35,000 naira daily.
That cash out be that too.
You go be shirt, just print and just they use and they form last month. Ramadan, ex-governor donate 24 truck foodstuff groups to feed 200 people daily. You know, say the Muslim and the fast. That one, now where we go match break rich for the punch.
We don't enter daily independent. Banks count losses as normalcy returns. Did they lose?
Yes, now you know say for the past 3 months. I know for the past 3 months we'll get this money wahala.
People know they carry money go back.
Go back again.
Even the small one where you get, you want to take a buy Google and granite.
You want to sell her. So people go sell on the fire.
Experts put loss at several billions of naira. They say the number of money where banks don't lose for this period, where we say cash get as it be, if they put on for billions of naira. I can't carry S.
The one when we transfer when see the air. We not see lose billions of naira. Everybody.
You know say for this cash, so that one self no see for take reach where you send and go.
Okay.
Ethnic profiling in Lagos will impede its growth. That one they come from UK. They say if this ethnic issue, this Yoruba Igbo no end well, it go get as it be on top the growth for Lagos.
Not be with the toxins.
The feel go build fish pond for one place.
I say na railway station they want put there.
I've been a new airport. Maybe that out airport they go carry and go.
No be out airport, Edo North Airport.
Okay, Edo North Airport. They carry and enter Lagos. You know say even Benin people say Lagos. Make we no took my.
Wait, so you don't say one day last see Dave say they want Dredge River. I be that one.
Dredge. They want dredge one of the. They never.
That TORI dey grand though.
Make we just match break for that side. Air Peace becomes first Nigerian carrier to start direct flight to Israel. Gombe retains top position at easiest state for business. Sirap asks INEC to investigate governors, deputies over election violence. Now we go take stop for independent newspaper.
All right, most of the Daily Trust they tell us oil production rise to 1.7 million
per barrel
daily. Oil don't rise, oil boom. Anambra indigene denying us accommodation. Who they talk this one? MACBA Magban raise alarm. Kogi, Bayelsa, Imo governorship pool. APC racks in over 1.3 billion from form. Raise. Wow. APC raised 1.3 billion from form.
For their governorship pools.
For just
selling of form.
Kogi, Bayelsa and Imo just to sell form.
Make we go start political
1.3 billion just to that piece of paper. Now A4 paper. You know get how organo someone take
now our chief editor.
Now they raise 1.3 billion.
Now our chief editor now go be our party chamo.
They print one, photocopy the rest. No be him.
Now you don't understand what they talk. Now another means of making money. Abi you know what make money?
Now different definition you they give am so. Form na form.
Photocopy original.
Whether na ordinary paper.
Form
for you come buy and for the party to sell for you. When you remember say that the party now get the paper.
How much for the paper?
Now you call am paper. Now form. Now form. If they put 1 billion for one, if you like, no buy. Now I believe that they want to take and reduce the numbers of people where they come buy form, so that they not use less the forms.
Okay. Okay. How NIS operative extort traveler at airports. If you want to see that one, you see that one for Daily Trust. I paid $100 to get my Virgin passport cleared. Passenger. You know, if you don't go airport, you see the way if you don't reach airport, you see the way money alalubo. They pass hand. I know the organo saddles, they pass hand.
Egunje.
Egunje, it dey pass hand. They fit even delay you so that you miss your flight. You can't quick say I beg take. Mostly for the new people, the novice, the way that they do them. 8 officers sacked, 88 facing disciplining measure for the NIX. Now that one we get for the Daily Trust this morning. Because organos are blood just the hot, but we'll soon reach where he wants more go.
And with the leadership newspaper, I say Fintiri Binami trade tackles over alleged reading intimidation in Adamawa polls. And you know, say that one election still there for inconclusive. Now the English they use for that.
And next they never finish the election.
So we never know how they want to do it. Maybe they go do election for other polling units, or they could cancel the whole election start again. 10th NAS expense as APC NWC plans NEC for mid.
You know, say this 10th
mid-April.
The 10th house now for the people don't say na my turn.
Yes, now they don't use general slogan.
They don't say na my turn, which might can translate and enter your language.
Emiloko. And my turn.
And Ogano no see that one talk. Oh.
Wait, they read them now. If you draw my interest, I go talk.
No, we don't want to draw interest.
No, if
not be where we want stay today.
No, if you draw my interest, I go still contribute.
Okay, just contribute for that one small.
Small, shekele.
The 10th National Assembly, where they come so. According to their party, may not be politician, they say na 3 tripod they take the stand. So if the president don't dey for south, the vice president don't dey for north, then if the senate president don't dey come, depends on the party discretion. No, if it take and go east. So the people for the east, they will come together to choose their who go be their representative. You know, say anything they put for people hand, get has to be before they get results. By the time they begin fight themselves, they will carry and go another zone. So that be the 10th National Assembly, which they say they go meet soon to decide their principal officers.
Yes, middle of April.
The middle of April.
And I go remember say the president elect say he no get anybody for mind.
Yes.
He never get anybody where he won't give.
That's for TORI. That's for
TORI people.
TORI people.
You just take this last paper so that we'll feel.
And where that one make we dey since. Now there now we don't come so.
Which one be that?
We don't enter the Nation newspaper. We be say carry and talk say post pool crisis. Are you under pressure to quit as PDP chairman? World ESCO suspend party boss. Why he must go by his deputy?
Why he must go now?
Now by his deputy. Yes. That one now the crisis where they share for PDP. Where be say be like the party never still balance. Even this crisis don't start even before the election. Since their primary, now it be like say
no before primary.
The leg where they carry stand.
Before primary, you know, say their former chairman. So some people take gather. Some people, I know some people take gather, say you must go, you must go, you must go.
Nah, so that one say take
that
go.
One take go.
Bring
secondus. Now so that one take go. They can't bring Ayu.
Ayu.
Since the day when they say no zoning, now that day the party start. Then after they come do primary, now they the party for
scatter.
No, you know scatter.
Okay, if for shake leg.
If for shake, then the day when they announce the result, the party just scatter. Okay, we don't leave the floor for you.
What you do now? Ever read them for me?
Oh, make
how they take suspend now? Ever read them for me?
Not true.
Which people suspend now? Whether they get the power to suspend now? Una go read them out so that make we know where we want to our mouth put.
PDP suspend national chairman Ayu with immediate effect. PDP don't suspend their national chairman Dr. Inyocha Ayu from the party. Ward executive of the party for Igoro ward for Boko local government area of Benue State now carry out the suspension. As in they talk with TORI people on Sunday on behalf of Kashi Philip, the ward chairman, the ward secretary. Do you explain say the executive suspend Dr. Ayu sake of alleged anti-party activity? As the secretary they read for one message where 12 out of 17 member ward executive signed. The secretary say the decision to suspend the national chairman after the leaders touchlight all waiting Dr. Ayu do during the election. Because the chairman and other members, the secretary say them observe with utmost dismay say Dr. Inyocha Ayu will be national chairman of PDP work against the success of the party for a Grove Council ward for Benue State. e con still dey record say e fail to pay his annual subscription fee as provided under the section 8 subsection 9 of the constitution of PDP 2017 as amended. Dem con say further investigation con still show say e no vote during the governorship and state assembly election wey dem do on March 18, 2023. We con still see say most of im closest ally, most of im paddies, most of im friends work for opposition party, the All Progressive Congress (APC), wey con reduce the performance of PDP for the ward. E say after all this, we hereby pass a vote of no confidence on Dr. Inyocha Ayu and suspend him as a member of our party with immediate effect. They say the suspension go start from March 24th, 2023. Now, all wetin they say Dr. Inyocha Ayu do wey make them suspend am, wey make them say, "Kai, we no trust this person again." Now we say passing of vote of no confidence. We no believe say this person go fit lead us again.
That one are you?
Nah. Ayu be that na the party executive.
The party executive for a ward.
Thank you very much. You see, and I say the state when he did na Benue, and I say Benue, APC na come win there, and a PDP be governor for that place.
Yes, you say Reverend Father.
No, at the corner, and a party at the talk so.
Okay.
This Ayu they represent party.
Na
Not be
party
PDP.
dey
Na
represent.
PDP
That's
suspend
why
am.
party
So it not
suspend
concern me the names wey dey under the political, and the political party are they discuss about. Now, last week, Ayu they call Benue governor. Make it come face disciplinary committee. You they get me for anti-party activities. If you see all of the way they agreed for the party, all of them they do anti-party matter. How you be not there agree? How you lose the state? I hear say you lose the local government. The same how you, according to what you read just now, say how you not come out. Whether they do governorship come vote, if followers not come out, if mama papa not come out, if children they not come out, if friends where they even put money, put body for the party, they not come out.
Your wife. Not come out.
You get wife. The wife now that's why they vote. Now if the wife deal. The wife is from Ewu. I bet I'll come for.
And that side.
No, I bet I cannot leave Esa Central. Make you go vote for Boko. No. Now those states now yes they vote. So remove your wife. Now only him. And the other now the other side. So what will they talk about now? Be say suspension out of 17 persons.
12. Now put hand.
Only 5. And that 5, 3 na S official. Maybe S official they say he not carry weight again. You call remain 2. Maybe that 2 go be assistant. They not carry weight. The remaining when he suspend and so I see the hand of the chairman there. I see the hand of the secretary
Yes,
there.
the hand of
When
the
secretary and chairman don't sign for your suspension or removal, that is the end for party. Now, I still talk about yesterday. They tell some person yesterday. I say, make how you go visit Oshomole. Make you go ask Oshomole how they take remove him as national chairman. No, very simple. You the cost-serving governor may come face disciplinary committee. You remember say you not follow them for Benue. Do congresses where put state, local, and ward executive. They can't bring you where they say secondaries must go. They bring you, they organize mini convention. They can't bring you on board. The former ESCO, they say me the waka. They can't do convention, bring you on board. You can't sit down on top of ESCO for the state chamo, local chamo, and ward chamo. Now this Benue governor, now he organize them. Then you they call governor where get resources to reduce your empire. You say may come face disciplinary committee. Now your word they don't
disown am.
They don't carry you. They never disown am. If they disown am, they will pursue am. They say they suspend am, make it go face disciplinary
committee. We want
yes, we want set up.
He don't set them up. So the committee will say.
This one they be like say you set trap. You can't forget.
Now, as I yesterday, at the year say the LGA say they never hear. I even hear say the state say they never hear the suspension from ward. Make it go ask Oshomole. How they take remove them, suspend them from ward 10 for Esako West. how the matter can take climb up, go reach up. Are you getting me? He reach up, they can't use court because of Oshomole drop every other person's. This fight just the start. And they wonder people they say they go contest election under PDP, maybe for governorship for Edo next year. And they wonder because the day the G5 governors team together to destroy the party, and at that same day, now Atiku come from Dubai, come take the ticket of the party, carry how you put for armpit, go call notary elders for the party, use and back himself. They pursue G5, they go. G5 no they run, they know they fall, they stand gidigba. The same Atiku will carry how you, they say that they pursue them. They go overtake them. Those who are going to look there like this. Because they're ready for the day of election, February 25th, where they want to make sure say the party not produce the mago when not take get the presidential candidate. Now, the same Ayu, go they congratulate Tambuwa, where at Wicked carry as his best friend. They help each other since. They carry and they use hand. They carry each other hand, they waka. They congratulate us saying that you be the hero of today. The same man lost his Sokoto state to another party. How you will carry person hand up, call a hero, lost his state to another party. Atiku whether because of when they do all this one, lost the country to another party. All of them can be failures. Then the G5 people, Benue governor say he go work for Labour Party. Make sure say deliver for presidential for Labour. He use and hit his chest. River State governor deliver his state for all this one anti-party, all of them. Who they checkmate person anti-party? Who they checkmate anti-party? Who they set up committee anti-party? Who sit down for the committee anti-party? You see, and I say they yeye themselves.
That one can make me remember one word for the Holy Book where talk say a house divided against itself.
You understand me? So now for River State, APC win the election. For Oyo, you know say Oyo still dey G5.
Yes.
APC
win presidential.
For East, the two way dey East, they say they go work for their brother. And I believe say they deliver their state for their brother. So you see and I say, but the Ayu, those where they suspend Ayu, who want set up committee for Ayu, the deputy national chairman where they say sign now, he must go. Because you're not going to remove Ayu from one zone. The zone when he come from, the deputy national chairman, now he go take charge. Not be said that they carry and go on that area or they come for convention. If they ever come for convention now, they not go fit. So this suspension, if Ayu no say either he go beg or may go ask Oshomole that if ward suspend you, the power of ward executive, ordinary governor wey dey so because where state chairman sit down for party, the governor no be leader. Now they hear say governor of a state according to PDP na be the leader of the party. The name of the party lies on a particular person, which is the chamo. The chamo na be the authority of the party. So e get where some governors they talk rich. Because if they not talk where they go collect. If the party suspend you, you are gone. If you use money, remove the chairman. If they not reach numbers of the people to remove, I go hard. They go enter court. Like how you now, they go put out for ward. Now court, they'll go end them.
From the roots.
From that place. Because if ward not suspend you, national body they suspend you, na different case. They only vote of no confidence. Now those one go they do. But when these people say, one, he say anti-party. Two, they say no they pay dues.
Wait, are you sure? Nadia want to make we look.
Yes.
If you will be chamo, no they pay due.
How you see that matter? Say, you know they pay dues. How you see?
Thank you very much.
No, and you know say no be wait. No be today. How you don't do PDP? You don't do PDP since 99.
No, how you there more people who form PDP?
Yes, and I've for Senate.
Yes,
carry on. You
say how me believe whether they pay dues?
Yes,
Mr. Governor, you should say don't pay dues for a word. Our governor of Edo State, he don't attend ward meeting one day. If you be national chairman, if you dey home, go attend ward meeting.
But you don't expect Ayu to dey stay house now.
No, listen. If you dey home, see, I say if you no go vote.
Now the election.
Wait, you want to tell me that say before the election, you know they go home, go strategize.
Yes, he go.
Now in Abuja they say me strategize.
No.
No, look. They bring a register. They come check and say, every other person they pay. Okay, pata no they pay.
Don't call her now.
Because you know they pay dues for national. Now a ward. Now
they go call her for phone.
But the people say no they pay.
And then why they don't call her for phone?
You know what they ask and say no pay? Say now Dunga, you know say na national chairman. National chairman, they say no they pay.
You know they part of people who form the constitution. Why no go pay?
You don't hear what they okay, ask your newspaper. They say no pay dues.
No, that dues will mean that one of your water for.
No, listening. Wait would they look very cheap if he take us to jail. If I be party member, I know they go pay dues for my ward. They go use them against me tomorrow. The constitution say, as a party member, you must pay your dues. The paper they there, the card where they give you, they go they write down. If you pay your due, be like only the other paper. They'll still write down the day you pay. They'll write mark for a register. They say you take party card. National board, you know they give national chairman card. Now your ward chairman, now they give you. When ward chairman sign, secretary go sign. So they say that paper since he take them. How you know they even call ward meeting? They say that they call her for ward meeting. He go say somebody call, say somebody represent her.
Hey, they're busy now.
Hey, they're busy. What of the dues? How they take they manage? Don't be those dues that they generate, that they work as party. Because say these are our big people. They look down the ward as if ward no be am. Now it make a way we say they go put signboard for one house. They'll write PDP put grass go dey the place. Because they know they use the secretariat for meeting. They know they meet there again. The chairman of the ward will carry meeting go a house. Or so carry go hotel. So this time around they say okay, this Ayu, a cup don't full for the ward according to them. This one no they pay dues and we they pay. They write them down. If I say that they wait make election finish. They come see and say for governorship to make sure say the reverend father wey mention his name yesterday not win election. How you not come out? Let me say how you don't go seek asylum for APC. You know say if I go APC before, he come up for PDP, he go APC. He come up for APC, he return back.
But sorry to cut you. The people where they two things that now I want bring when I want to make you choke mouth put. Now you sure say number one, this Ayu remover, you know they what they call political motivated. One. Mm-hmm. And number two, you don't just say this Ayu remover go just may I use the word go just send the party go grand
extinction.
Pata. Because if you watch now, if they remove Ayu finally, like because as it goes, so according to you may go ask Oshomole for Isako. According to you, what 10?
Anyway, they
may go ask. That's what Oshomole will take start. Like play. They say la they fly. You know, before we know Oshomole come out and Oshomole own account that they rob other schools where they dey innocent. Might use the word where they dey innocent.
They call waka with
now. What do you mean now? Be say if they suspend Ayu, it not go affect
the party,
the other schools with them.
Okay, you know why it be like that? Oshomole party now he produce president. The president will be the leader of the party. When this matter hot, they know the power now. So they are not too hot. Now faction they want create. This faction go they do your own. This faction go they do.
There's McAfee and Sheriff.
Sheriff. Now they come so. Now they break come so.
Factions have done day before.
The party not get president. So no president now go say, Mr. President is calling the two faction in Aso Rock. As a leader, they would if they come for next meeting now they will scatter. Nobody
wait to come with the power of the elder statement.
Where did they?
No, they get that statement for the
where they
BOT
board of trustee listing. It just be like say where they say the board of trustee Chamo make it step down. They don't think get president for not. Get national Chamo for not. BOT Chamo for not. They come meet. You know, they meet themselves. Some cabal come meet. They come tell the old man say, since it be like this, they come still go east, go pick their person. to replace him. Now that one that can be BOT chairman now. Those one without state governors.
And how many state governor they get?
No, listen now, where they fund the party. Without them, the party no go exist. The human beings no go exist. And now listen, make I ask you one question. How you where they make mouth up and down? Where they say the suspense so? If Atiku tomorrow they come begin go court, because now Dubai that one from the come tribunal here.
No, you still they never travel.
No, now they come now. Because Adamawa they ever call the result. Listen, if he travel just now, the governors where they survive the party, now majority of them go work for another party, so will be G5. The governors where they bring money come the party, make national take the work. The governors they agree. How many governors can remain? Akwa Ibom, Delta State. Are you getting me?
But sir, you think say we case go fold in hand, make the party cuckoo crumble like this?
And may I still add this one, Jonah? This may I still add this one from which
you ask me one question, say
we
whether
can
you not get political on that tune.
Yes.
That one they come. You see, wait till they read yours now. They're not right, say based on political on that tune, and they follow to the way they write paper.
No, follow.
I know they do wayo.
No follow on the way they read that for
Yes.
for
Make
paper.
we analyze and the way the matter
wey
take
suppose
ground.
be. Political interest no dey this thing.
I say make it go house to Shomole. When they want remove him, whether political interest not the state APC from Mr. Governor go reach the last person here, where they agreed, where they verse on Shomole, make sure say they go e word, go remove in name. So if Wike for the hands for Port Harcourt, say he not talk, make you get at the back of your mind, say Wike not dey sleep. Before the Ayu come, Wike and some other people now they survive the party. Wike and some other people say Ayu must go before election. Atiku not let am go. The same Ayu talk say if at the end presidential candidate go north, in go step down. You see some statement where you go make. That one even reach to suspend Ayu say he lie.
But now this President G5 now. Now they really fight when second to stay come out. Now they still gather together with one accord, bring Ayu.
PDP get money, if not be the governors.
No, now they bring Ayu.
Wait.
Now you not sure saying that this set of people they spread the party.
You know, you're not getting me. If governors not bring money on the party, how the party want to survive?
Now the stronghold for the parties go bring money now.
So what do you mean? You sure you not sure saying that this G5
now
they spread the party?
see, listen. Now they go say we need this. Now they go still say we don't need them again.
But not be one man business and a party business.
Okay, make the governors remove their hand for the party now. Make the party survive.
No, the party go combo.
But if they can't they do it like that, it go can't be clash of interest. It go can't be saying now wait till me I want.
If interest not the politics,
because I dey bring money.
I tell the sweet. It just be as I be so. And they fund one group, and the group if I talk, they don't listen to me. I not go rest.
Yeah, you carry your money come out now.
I carry my car, I waka. So them we can say for the party to survive, we still stand on the ground of Ayu must go. Now be the political undertone.
So now before we go come up for the studio, what could be your way forward for PDP?
I know the party. Why what concern way forward?
No, your way forward to help the party, because you like how you dey see am so that the party, not just the way forward, like how they fit they resolve this kind of issue. You know the party from your.
I say if the katakata start from the national chamo, make it go ask the former chamo for APC.
So why you always make reference?
No,
they always carry PDP matter take compare APC. Now two different parties.
If he word no suspend them, I'm not going to refer to Shomole. He word now the sign make he face suspension. So now maybe they say make it go act whether APC still get way forward after they remove Shomole or not. Through that answer, their party go balance. But what I go tell you, with the way the party take lose the election, before the party go resurrect with all this katakata crisis, it go hard for them. I even advise some of the yesterday, make una use this opportunity go rub shoulder with labor, so that make the PDP as the name dey there, make the human beings go stand labor. May labor be the only challenging party against APC today.
So from your own now, you mean say PDP don't buy our.
The junction where I see them, not be junction when they return home. Now waka dem dey.
If we allow Organo to continue,
We don't go come up for studio today.
But I see them for one junction of coming back.
Thank you, Oga Precious.
No retreat.
Thank you, Oga Precious. Oga Nosa, thank you very, very much. We appreciate you for how you help us Chukman for
Thank
this
you.
matter, help us take care, especially this PDP matter as it be so. Oga say incident for one junction wey be say sure say they come back again. That one na for PDP people. If na wan follow as my Oga take talk say na no dey come back, he don talk say he advise people make dem go join labour. Na fit go join, and if na believe say na still get where to take come back, una quick join body together, una carry aeroplane, una land gidigba. Make una tell people say we still dey ground o. This one e just be like say they say ram wey run go back na strength na e go bring. Na so my people dey talk. And this na newspaper tori, and we don torchlight some of our top tori as e concern PDP crisis wey dey take suspend their party chairman, Inyocha Ayu. And we don torchlight the naira matter too. We go still carry waka, we go enter street letter to bring una update as e dey shele for bank and cash matter. This na newspaper tori on top TMC radio, and my name na Taiwo Ayeni. This morning we don chook mouth for some matter, and my ogas dem wey dey with me this morning, they don help me torchlight the matters well. Make una greet country people, make we end am, make we match break for here.
My contribution for us, if House don't suspend you, that's what it end.
Be like me, I go suspend 2 of them now because I no want me then take my time again.
My country people, make you make it think well, make you go check the people where they don't suspend from their word before. May ask them how the waka they be. Now do well.
Thank you very, very much, sirs. I salute you now well. Thank you, country people. This na TMC Radio. No forget, say you go fit follow us for Facebook, for TMC TV, for YouTube, for TMC TV, for Instagram, for TMC._TV. If you still carry waka, enter our website, make you see our ogbonge story for www.tillifemedia.com. www.tillifemedia.com. No forget, say you go fit hear us too live for Radio Garden for TMC Radio. My name na Taiwo Ayeni.